are friends. So my father is farmer, my mother is housewife. I am 12 years old. I am studying in 6th and I am studying in Sri Sharda College School. I am living in Ukkurkol. My home is in Ukkurkol. I wanted to become doctor. My hobbies are reading, writing, playing games. Word is a group of letters which give complete meaning is called as word. Example: bat, fan, book. Sentence. A sentence is a group of words which give complete meaning is called as sentence. Example: Rama go to school. Lata sing a song.
Rama goes to school.
Rama goes to school. Lata sing a song. Kinds of sentence: assertive sentence, imperative sentence, interrogative sentence, exclamative sentence. Assertive sentence. An assertive sentence is a sentence which makes statement is called as assertive sentence. Example: I go to school. Imperative sentence. An imperative sentence is a sentence which order, request, or wish is called as which makes or order, request, or wish is called as imperative sentence. Example: order, come in, get out, please, please, please give me pen, wish, happy birthday, request, please. Interrogative sentence. An interrogative sentence is a sentence which asks question is called as interrogative sentence. Example: what is your name? What is your name? How old are you? Exclamative sentence. An exclamative sentence is a sentence which express sudden feeling is called as exclamative sentence. Example: oh my god! Wow! Wow! Nice car! Parts of it: noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, preposition, conjunction, interjection. A noun is the name of person. Place is called as noun. Place or things is called as noun. Example: person, Rama, place, Yellamgudda, Sadati, things, pen, book, pen. A pronoun is a name. A pronoun is a word which is used instead of a pronoun. Instead of a noun is called as pronoun. Example: I, we, she, they. Adjective. An adjective is a word which describe noun or pronoun is called as adjective. Example: good, bad, happy. Verb. A verb is a word which shows an action is called as verb. Example: play, drink, water. Adverb. An adverb is a word which describe verbs is called as adverb. Example: fast, slow. Preposition. And preposition is a word which shows. And preposition is a word which shows relationships between is called as noun. Between noun or pronoun is called as preposition. Example: on, in, between, into. Conjunction. Conjunction is a word which combine joins two or more words or sentences. Conjunction. Example: and, or, but, etc. Interjection. An interjection is a word which express sudden feeling is called as interjection. Example: wow, how.
చెప్పండి.